Now time to put you to the test here. Chuck, we're going to ask you, since it's going to be getting hot here real soon, we're going to have to ask you some questions here. Best way to keep your unit functioning properly?
The best way to keep your air conditioning, two things. Change your filter. One of the biggest things that we have, people call their air conditioners froze up, or they have no air conditioning and they forget to change the filter. The filter gets plugged, it can't move air through the system, and the unit shuts off. Or the other thing is to keep leaves and plants and bushes and things away from your air conditioner outside, and also make sure that you have that professionally maintained and cleaned. One of the things that the Better Business Bureau does is ad reviews. And one of the things that we advertise is that if you properly maintain your air conditioner, that you could save up to 40% on your heating and cooling costs. Well, the Better Business Bureau called me out on that because their ad said on your utility bill. And thankfully that they came to us and we said, oops, that's a mistake, because it's not your entire utility bill, it's your heating and cooling costs. Right. But a clean air conditioning system, a clean furnace, will operate up to 40% more efficient than one that's not maintained.
Okay, here's another question involving that. You mentioned the condensers, keeping the outside unit, making it clear of leaves and bushes and everything around there. What about putting some type of shade over that area? We hear pros and cons for that because they're saying big buildings in downtown areas, they don't have shades over their condenser units. Right. What about a homeowner? Would that help them?
Mid-American Energy has a tree program, and trees, shading your home, shading your air conditioner is a big benefit, as long as you don't obstruct the airflow going through that air conditioning system. Air conditioners are rated to operate up to 125 degrees outside, but the warmer it gets outside, the less efficient they become and the less capacity they have. So if you can keep that sun from having beating down on it and raising that temperature, it'll actually make it work a lot more efficiently.
Thank you. I've never got a straight answer on that, but you finally gave us a straight answer.
Just don't block the airflow of the air conditioner, and don't put the branches right over top of it so the air can't get away from it. But if you have a nice big tree away from the house that shades that side of the house, that's perfect.
And are we starting to think about cleaning our heating systems now, unfortunately?
Kids are getting ready for school, and we'll be sending out reminders. It's time to check your furnace here in another couple of weeks. Absolutely.
Okay.
All right. Now, if we want you to ring our bell, so to speak, how do they get a hold of you?
All they have to do is they can do it several different ways. You can go to our website, www.bellbrothers.com, and we have a service request on there. Or you can call our number, 244-8911, and ask for the service department, and we can get you scheduled.
Perfect. Chuck, thanks for coming in, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it very much.